Our first winter storm of the season on the way for tomorrow. Winter storm warnings. We had that winter storm watch earlier. It's now been upgraded to a winter storm warning for the entire NBC26 viewing area. It starts about mid-afternoon tomorrow, a little bit earlier for some of our southern counties, and then it will run through early Tuesday morning. Temperatures right now, things are quiet, and that's the way it'll stay through the overnight hours. We're sitting right around the freezing mark, 32 in Green Bay, 32 in Clintonville, 30 in Appleton, and 30 right now in Manitowoc. Winds out of the north, not too bad right now, sustained at 13 miles per hour in Green Bay, but these winds will pick up out of the north and eventually switch to the northeast as we go through the overnight hours. Wind chills are in the 20s, a few spots in the teens, 18 in Mountain, feels like 8, even colder in Anago. Satellite and radar picture, we have mostly cloudy skies out there right now, but clouds should break up a little bit as we go through the evening and overnight hours. Clouds will fill back in, though, as this storm system to the south works towards us. It's pulling up a lot of Gulf moisture, so that's why we are expecting several inches of snow, especially in some of our western communities, where as much as over 8 inches could be possible for some areas. So a very powerful system, and it's all heading in our direction. Many areas under winter storm warnings across the central U.S. In the white, those are blizzard warnings for parts of Texas. So this is a far-reaching storm for much of the U.S., at least the central U.S. Here's what we can expect in northeast Wisconsin. Heavy snow and at times sleet. There's enough warm air. There's a very shallow layer of warm air that could change the precip from snow to sleet, and that will have a big impact on those snow totals. Also going to be very windy tomorrow, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Gust over 40 miles per hour. That is going to greatly reduce visibility, and with the snow, we are looking for some very poor road conditions. So tomorrow evening, that evening commute into the night, we are going to be looking at some really difficult travel conditions across northeast Wisconsin. Here's a look at precision cast. It's quiet, though, for your Monday morning commute. That's some good news. Maybe a few flurries out there by noon. Still pretty quiet in the Green Bay and Fox Valley area, but by mid-afternoon, that snow starts to work in, fairly light at first, but as we go through that evening commute, that snow will really ramp up, heavy at times. Also, we could see some areas of sleet, especially closer to the lake shore. That's where we'll have the better chance for some sleet to mix in, and that could reduce the snow totals for folks there a little bit. Heaviest snow totals will be west and north of Green Bay. By 8 in the morning, the snow is pretty much done. Some lingering snow showers and flurries, but that's about it. Snowfall amounts looking like this. Green Bay, Fox Valley, Appleton, 3 to 6 inches is a pretty good frame as far as snowfall amounts. Higher amounts off to the west, up over 8 inches possible in some spots, and then lesser amounts as you head towards the lakeshore. But it will really depend on how much of that snow changes to sleet, how long it stays as sleet. So you'll definitely want to stay up to date as we go through the next 24 hours. And of course, we'll keep you posted on air and online. We'll also be updating social media as well. Tonight, though, quiet conditions, partly cloudy skies, lows down into the lower 20s. Tomorrow, a snowy day, windy as well. East-northeast winds sustained 15 to 30 miles per hour, but in the afternoon, gusts could be over 40 miles per hour. Your extended forecast after that, just some light snow and flurries Tuesday and Wednesday, not much in the way of accumulation. Looks quiet as we approach the new year, but notice much colder. Temperatures actually below average, Holly, for a change. And then our next chance of snow is on Sunday. So difficult travel. Again, the morning looks okay, but the snow will really pick up as we go through the afternoon, and it could be some pretty treacherous travel tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Yeah, definitely something to be aware about, and definitely getting colder as we're getting into the new year. That's right. Yeah, it's definitely going to start feeling a little bit more like winter and looking like it for a change. All right. Thanks, Matt. Yeah.